So uwatsinze yitwa Ndungutse.
Papa, she come home.
After project is a challenge. First of all, the issue of Bishop na Mama Bishop. Wow. Ikintu kimwe twabonye ntawe udukorera Imana ngo umwamikire ngo ndetse mu murimo w'Imana. Yes. Bitangiye gusa twageneyeho afite projects. Arashaka gukora yahagarara gato ashaka gukora business yo gucuruza ubuki no kuproducinga. Asanzwe bikora. Tuzamubera abakiriya. Ndashaka ko tuzaba abambere kumubera abakiriya. Ubuzima bwe buhinduka kutaha muri cyo ashaka kuzagarana adubuhamya bw'Imana yakoze. Yes. Yes, brother, we celebrate.
We'll celebrate later.
To come here, man, our judges. What was that together? Yes, to come here, man, our Charana, what was it? Imana is wagize ndabishukude yakunde kubona ko ari muri watsinze abo bantu n'abantu bigenga bavuze ibintu bigenga jewe na madamu tubana mu rugo ntabwo yarazi yaramaze gusiga imeze
Hello, Ningun.
Papa, she come home.
Wow, amashimeshyi cyane. François afite umushinga mwiza. Umwaka utaha tuzabereka amashusho y'ibyo yatubwiye ko azakora.
Next year we will show you everything.
Kandi yatweretse ko bishoboka.
It was possible as
Kandi birimo ivugabutumwa.
and there is also
Ibyo ashaka gukora.
evangelism. What she wants to do?
Yaratubwiye ngo arashaka gukora iriba.
She wants to do a well.
Rivomerera abantu ariko rivuga ubutumwa.
To speak evangelism.
Iryo riba muri meze nk'ari Yesu yahuriyeho na wa mugore.
Like that one, the Samaritan woman in Jesus.
Waruje kuvoma amazi ariko umunsi ndaguha amazi y'ubugingo.
Jesus said you are
Nawe
going to
arifuza ko abantu bazaza baje kuvoma amazi asanzwe akabaha amazi y'ubugingo bagataha bakijije. Umukomera amashyi cyane. Congratulations. Wow. Yes. Judges, muze dufate ifoto n'abanyabyo shaka.
Judges also might come.
Wow, ibintu ni byiza. Tubikomera amashyi cyane. Yes, dushigikirane rwose neza. Tugiye muri iyi category.
The other category,
Tugiye muri category ya kabiri.
the second category,
Utsinda muri iyi category
to win in this category,
arahembwa miliyoni enye.
will get 4 million.
Twari dufitemo abantu bane
We had these 3 people.
nabo kandi ni abakobwa tubakomera amashyi
Ladies
cyane.
are doing a wonderful job.
Abahungu rwose nihanganire kuko mu application twari dufite abahungu ni bake pe.
We didn't have many men in our
Yes.
application.
Kamikazi Queen Raisa arahari?
Kamikazi Queen Raisa.
Arahari? Ntabwo ndi kubona? Yes. Dufitemo Ingabire Sifa Joyce,
Ngabire Sifa Joyce.
tukagiramo Anne Marie Byukusenge,
Anne-Marie.
Mumu Joyous, ntabwo Joyous nabo bamukomera amashyi ko yatinyutse kuza guharanira. Yes, na Uwamahoro Aline.
Uwamahoro Aline.
Sinzi ko Uwamahoro Aline arahari. Ngiye gusaba
I will ask
iyi kategori ndasaba Emile arahari? Niho usanga?
I will ask Emile.
Ntabwo ahari? Yes. Ndasaba Pastor Ben.
I will ask
Atamu
Pastor
Diane.
Ben to be the one to help us.
Nindangiza ndasaba Reverend Nathan wagombaga gutanga check ariko ntabwo ahari. Turifashisha Dera nshaka gutekereza Edwin.
I will ask
Admin
Pastor
wacu
Edwin.
mukomera amashyi cyane Pastor
Come
Edwin.
and give the check.
Yes. Pastor Ben agiye kudusomera
Pastor Ben will read for us.
umuntu wo muri kategori ya kabiri
Someone in this category
ugiye gutsindira miliyoni enye
to win 4M.
hagati y'aba bakobwa beza.
Indeed, between these
Murakeka ari uwuhe muri aba bakobwa?
who do you think will win?
Yes, reka tubyumve Pastor bitubwire.
Harya mwavuze ko Mujo yasarinde.
Who is the joyous person?
Inde? Umuhaguruke rero. Okay, watsinze muri iyi kategori Musenge Anne Marie.
Wow, congratulations. Anne Marie, thank you. Yes. Wow, dukoma amashyi menshi cyane. Yes, mujya hari hagati. Anne Marie umwana mutoya
Is a young lady,
afite umuhamagaro wo kudoda.
has a calling of
Asanzwe abikora ariko atagira ibikoresho.
usually didn't have
Yatubwiye ko yifuza asanzwe akorera Joyous.
She usually works for
Amakwaya
joyous.
akora mu makonsert. Anne Marie ugiye kuzajya bakorera.
She makes
Agiye
clothes.
kubona ibikoresho amayinifomu.
She will get
Ubuzima bwe bugiye guhinduka.
her life is
Kandi
going to
avuga
change.
ubutumwa. Mukomere Anne Marie amashyi menshi cyane. Yes. Congratulations Anne Marie. Joyous, mwarakoze kuko umurimo mwiza.
Thank you,
Murabona ko
Joyous.
imbuto z'umurimo mukora murazibona. Yes, yamanuka tugakomeza.
We can continue.
Dufite kategori yindi iri special.
We had a special category.
Mudukomere amashyi menshi kuko tubazanye. Yes. Wow. Birashimishije ko mwishimana nawe.
It's so glad, it's so good for them to
Iyi
join
kategori
with
dufite
them. The other category,
ni kategori idasanzwe.
a special category,
Irashaka gutera inkunga urubyiruko abantu batatu.
we want to support 3 people.
abana bari muri social bari barabuze uburyo biga kaminuza.
People who didn't have a way to pay the university school fees.
Hari miliyoni 2 n'igice
They have 2M.
zizabafasha kujya mu ishuri.
That will help them to go to school.
Abakene bize barangiza secondaire barabazi muri social.
They studied and did not go to the university.
Ngo barahari baratambukana imbere. Iyi ni impano wa sharing.
This is the time to share.
Ibyo twavuze mbere ntabwo twabimbi ikategora abantu benshi banze actually banze kuyapplyinga kuko bumvaga ari make.
People didn't want to apply in this category.
Dusanga rero ubwo hari ab'Imana yari yarabiteganyirije.
So we found that people were
Hari abana basenze bari barabuze ko bajya kwiga.
There are some people who wanted to go to
Imana
school.
ibuza abantu kuapplyinga muri iyi kategori
God didn't want
kugira ngo
to
abangaba
apply
bajye
in this
kwiga.
category for
Urumva
them to
ukuntu
go
Imana
to
ikora.
school.
Mukoma amashyi menshi cyane kuri icyo kintu. Yes. Amazina yabo si yes. Telefone ntabwo ngifite sorry. Uraza batubwire enda mbwira.
They are going to tell us their names.
Baratambukana imbere.
They are going to step forward.
Yes. Agiye gusomera amazina yabo.
They are going to read their names.
Turasaba Bishop Mugogo.
We want to ask Bishop Mugogo.
Araza abari gutanga iyi sheki kuri aba bana
He
kugira ngo
will be the
bafate.
one to give the check to these people.
Ya uwa mbere yitwa Uwiduhaye Clementine.
The first one is Clementine.
Uwa kabiri yitwa Mozawase Sandrine.
The second one is Mozawase Sandrine.
Uwa gatatu yitwa Brice Kabandana.
The other one is Chris Kabandana.
Uwa kane yitwa Rusizana Ndizeye Fidele.
The other one is Rusizana Ndizeye Fidele.
Abandi
Wow, abangaba bo mwababonye
You have seen these people.
nabo babaye abatsinze mu buryo batigeze bahatana ariko Imana yo niko bagomba kujya mu ishuri.
They have one who
Muhagarare
is
hano.
competing. They
Muhagarare hano
are
imbere.
for school fees.
Bishop agiye kudufasha gutanga iyi mpano. Dore ko mugenzi wabo araje nawe. Yes, mwahagarara neza iyi foto ikaboneka.
This picture should be seen.
Yes, muzenguke ajye hagati. Iyo foto ifatwe rwose.
This picture can be seen.
Wow, tubikomera amashyi ibintu ni byiza. Bishop wowe hari ijambo ashaka kuvuga kuri iki?
Bishop wants to say something about this.
ntabwo mfata umwanya munini
I won't take so much time.
wenda ndaza kuvuga ku by'izi mpano zose
I'll speak about this later.
ariko kuri iyi kategori
For this category,
yanditseho miliyoni 2,500
it's 2. Brice was not in this category,
ariko ni umuinterpretari gusa
but he's an interpreter in this church.
iri sheri hari umwana wo mu baririmbyi twagombaga gushyiramo
There is a person from Joyous Melody we're going to put,
ariko tuganira usanga bimeze neza ku ruhande rwiwe
but she was okay when we conversed with her.
nta kibazo cyo kwishura afite
She didn't have issues to pay,
ubwo rero biba ngombwa yuko dufata polisi
so we are taking Brice instead.
ni byiza twabikomera imana amashyi
It is wonderful.
reka nta foto ntacaka
Bishop nawe arashaka kujya muri iyi foto. Iyi mpano ntabwo isanzwe, iyi kategori ntabwo isanzwe, twahise special category kuko urabona ko ari special. Yes, tubakomera amashyi menshi cyane.
Let us clap for them.
Tugiye muri finale sasa.
We are in the finals now.
Ibintu bigiye kuba amabuye bigiye gukomera.
These things are getting intense.
Mube tayari.
Be
Iyi
ready.
kategori
This category,
yarimo fight ikomeye.
it was with so much fight.
Byaratugoye.
It was hard.
Kugeza mu gitondo twari tutarumvikana.
In the morning, we still didn't want to
Tukirimo
agree.
tubyevaluwa tureba ngo ninde biragenda
We
gute.
were still evaluating the decision.
Miliyoni 5 umuntu ugiye kuzibona.
5 million.
Twari dufitemo abantu 7.
We had 7 people.
Media mutwereke. Wow, aba bagabo bakomera amashyi cyane n'abakobwa
Clap for them.
bafite imishinga myiza yose.
They have amazing
Ariko bose ntabwo batsinda.
Not all of them have won.
Dufitemo Iradukunda Irene,
We have Ratukundilen.
dufitemo Ndungutse Claude, dufitemo Niyomukiza Cedric, dufite Niyo Bugingo Souvenir, dufite Elisa Turatsinze,
Lisa,
Ninette Agahozo,
Ninette,
Uwineza Nadege.
Ineza.
Abantu bakomera amashyi cyane.
Clap your hands for them.
Bifitiye icyizere. Wabanze gufata amajyaruguru ngo turashaka menshi.
They wanted to
Ntabwo
take so
dushaka
much
kujya muri
money.
make.
They didn't compete in
Iyo ni
lower
step ya mbere
classes.
y'icyizere bifitiye.
This was the confidence they had.
Amaproje yumvise wakumva.
If you hear this project, they are amazing.
Harimo bamwe ba developer n'aba IT ama application we yadufasha kujya duhuza abantu bafite imodoka n'abafite amagaraje.
Some are going to develop
Ibintu udashobora kumva nawe ubwawe.
in this
Harimo abafite amaproje yo ku ya irrigation yo muri agriculture ateye ubwoba.
irrigation projects were there.
Harimo ushaka gukora ama house ya fashion
Fashion houses.
n'ibindi byinshi udashobora kwibuka byose.
This was wonderful.
Kandi bose ni abahanga
They are all
ariko bose
intelligent.
ntabwo batsinda.
Not all of
Uza
them
gutsinda
won.
muze kumufelicita
Celebrate the winner
kuko ni umwiza mu beza.
because he's a good among the best.
Ndasaba Mugwema Wilson gutambuka. Mukomere Wilson amashyi cyane. Mutera mwuka wiwe byose urubyiruko. Ajya dushyigikira n'urubyiruko muri twe kandi ajya akora ibintu byinshi cyane.
He helps us a lot.
Yes, Wilson mukomere amashyi. Azi no kwambara akaberwa. Hari abantu batazi kwambara ariko ubu yarabikemuye. Aha. Yes, agiye kudufasha gusoma.
Will help us read
Uwatsinze muri iyi kategori.
the winner of this category.
Turasaba Bishop na Madamu gutambukana.
Bishop and Mama Bishop to
Mubakomera amashyi ariko mwabonye ukuntu basa neza.
Can you clap for them?
Bajyanishije imyenda yabo n'ibireba urabona ko bajyanishije ni abasirimu rwose.
Coordinated their clothes.
Mubakomera amashyi.
Clap for them.
Gusa urumva nawe ntabwo ufite kuvuga umuntu. Yes. Agiye kutubwira uwatsinze muri kategori ujye guhembwa miliyoni 5.
Tell us the winner of 5 million.
Abapiganiwe mwitegura wese abasenga amasengesho ya nyuma.
People be ready.
Avuga ngo Mana ntiyaba njyewe.
Lord, make it be me.
N'umunota wa nyuma Imana irakora ishobora guhindura ibisubizo birimo hano. Senga cyane.
Yesu ashimwe. Kategori iragoye.
This is a heavy category.
Ku bwanjye nahita mbera nkavuga ibitari hano kubera ko abenshi bari muri kabine
These people are in the media team.
kandi n'abantu twakoranye n'igihe wabatoje.
They are my friends.
So ariko kubera ko tugomba gutrustinga icyo judges bavuze
For us to trust the decision of the judge.
kandi n'abandi bose bishimira ari mwiza
Even others, the projects were good.
hari uwatsinze.
There is a winner.
Maybe ubutaha nabo bazatsinda.
Next time, some others could win.
So uwatsinze muri iyi kategori
The winner of this category.
barakeka ko ari nde?
mumanuke ndashaka nzabakiza gusigara hano na Elizabeth abandi mumanuke tugiye gukora gahunda